All right, so today we're at Seacoast School of Technology in Exeter. We're joined by Exeter Volvo, and we're going to present to the auto students, tell them all about automotive career trades, a little bit about colleges that are available to them, and opportunities to get into dealerships. Let's go check it out. Like the manufacturing programs like Ford or Chevy are 2-year associate's degree, right? But when you don't have a manufacturer tied to you, like collision for example, then you can do 1-year certificate or 2-year degree.
One of the most sought after employees right now are technicians, and a lot of people don't really understand how valuable they are.
Has anyone in here heard of NHADA before? Yeah. A few of you? In the back with the hat. Nope. You can't answer this.